How to merge two disk partitions in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. First, you will need to open the Start menu and then search for Partition. Now you want to click on Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions and expand this window. And in this page, you should be able to see all your hard disks and partitions available on your system. So for example, let's assume that you have this partition called G on your computer. And as you can see it right here, which is the G volume, you want to select the volume that you want to basically get rid of or merge to the other disk. Right click on it and then click on delete volume. And then you want to make sure to move anything you have inside this volume, because this will erase all the data inside the volume and your files and everything. Once you've moved that, you can click on yes to delete it. Now, as you can see, it's currently unallocated. Now, to merge it with the local disk E volume, you want to click on the E volume right here. Right click on it and then click on extend volume and then click next. Now you want to select the disk 2, which we removed earlier or formatted earlier, which is this one, the 50 gig. And then click on next and then click on finish, and that should basically merge it with the local disk E. And as you can see now, it's one space, and if you go to this PC, it's gone and removed from here. And that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.